Here's how to check if your TV is using internal speakers or HDMI audio. So the first thing that you're going to do is on your television, navigate yourself to the all settings option. Once you're already on the all settings option, navigate yourself to the picture option. Now, under the picture options, you will be able to see there are different options such as the audio and other displays that you can see on your television. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the expert settings. So, expert settings is actually the same with the advanced settings, but on some television, it has a different name. So, for this television, it is actually says as a expert settings. Now, on the expert settings, you will be able to see there if your digital output audio is on a Dolby Digital or to your a audio settings that you needed. And as you can see that your television is not using internal speakers, but it is under the HDMI output audio.